Cocoa powder for skin lightening. Using the unsweetened cocoa powder or chocolate powder for skin whitening may not sound that obvious, because cocoa powder is also used in skincare products that can actually darken the skin, like a dry shampoo. Nevertheless, cocoa powder is quite beneficial for skin, because it contains lots of antioxidants, which slow down the skin's aging. But what about skin whitening? Cocoa powder does help with skin lightening, because the flavonoids found in it rejuvenate skin cells, making your complexion clearer and brighter. It can also assist in the removal of dark spots, blemishes, and can fade scars. How to use cocoa powder for skin lightening. First of all, you need to get a non-metal bowl and spoon. That's because we are going to use multani mitti clay in our recipe, and it should not touch any metal, because the positively charged ions in metal neutralize the negatively charged ions in the clay, which makes it quite useless. So, both the bowl and the spoon shouldn't be made out of metal. Okay, now, take the suitable bowl, and add 1/2 teaspoon of multani mitti, 1/2 teaspoon of cocoa powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of honey in it. Mix the ingredients well, so that you get a paste out of them. Then add 1 teaspoon of rose water to the paste, to make it smoother and easily spreadable. Once the mask is ready, gently apply it all over your skin, and leave for 7 minutes. While applying, avoid the area of your eyes. Once the time is up, rinse off the mask with warm, then cold water. Pat your face dry, and apply a few drops of argan, or sesame oil, which also have skin lightening properties.